Easter is a beautiful time of year when homes begin to reflect the freshness and warmth of spring. Rustic Easter decor captures this feeling perfectly by blending natural textures, vintage charm, and soft seasonal colors. In this video, we explore charming rustic Easter spring decorations that create a cozy seasonal look. These ideas will help transform your home into a welcoming space filled with warmth, character, and the gentle beauty of springtime traditions. Rustic Easter decor often features soft pastel shades such as blush pink, sage green, pale blue, and creamy white. These colors reflect the gentle beauty of spring and create a calm, welcoming atmosphere in your home. When combined with natural materials like wood and linen, pastel tones bring balance and elegance to rustic decorations while still maintaining a cozy and relaxed vibe. One of the easiest ways to bring rustic charm into your Easter decor is by incorporating natural wood elements. Wooden trays, crates, and handcrafted signs instantly add warmth and texture to any space. You can display painted Easter eggs, small bunny figurines, or spring flowers on wooden surfaces to create a beautiful focal point. The organic tones of wood pair perfectly with the soft colors of spring decorations. Mason jars are a staple of rustic decor and work beautifully for Easter displays. Fill them with fresh or faux spring flowers like tulips, daisies, or baby's breath. Arrange several jars together on a wooden tray for a charming centerpiece. The simplicity of mason jars enhances the vintage farmhouse style while bringing a fresh burst of spring color into your home. Tiered trays are perfect for showcasing small Easter decorations. Arrange mini bunny figurines, small signs, nests, and pastel eggs on each level. The layered design allows you to create a charming miniature Easter scene that fits perfectly on kitchen counters or coffee tables. It's a simple but very effective rustic decorating idea. A rustic Easter wreath is a lovely way to welcome guests during the spring season. Choose wreaths made from grapevine, twigs, or dried greenery, then decorate them with pastel ribbons, small eggs, or tiny floral accents. Hanging a rustic wreath on your front door immediately sets the tone for the cozy seasonal decor waiting inside your home. Wooden bunny decorations are both charming and timeless in rustic Easter design. These can be simple silhouettes, hand-painted figures, or distressed wooden cutouts. Place them on shelves, mantels, or tabletops to add subtle Easter charm. Their natural texture blends beautifully with other rustic elements while keeping the decor understated and elegant. The mantle is a perfect place to create a cozy Easter focal point. Layer rustic elements like wooden frames, candles, and small wreaths with seasonal decorations such as bunny figures and pastel eggs. Add some greenery or eucalyptus garlands for freshness. This layered look creates a warm and welcoming display that feels effortlessly styled. Vintage pitchers make beautiful rustic vases for spring flowers. Their antique charm adds character and history to your Easter decor. Fill them with soft spring blooms and place them on dining tables, shelves, or kitchen counters. The combination of vintage metal or ceramic pitchers with fresh florals perfectly captures the rustic farmhouse Easter aesthetic. Vintage-style baskets are a timeless addition to rustic Easter decorating. Woven baskets can be filled with moss, pastel eggs, faux flowers, or small decorative rabbits to create charming centerpieces. Place them on coffee tables, entryway consoles, or kitchen counters for a cozy seasonal touch. Baskets also add texture and depth to your decor while maintaining that relaxed farmhouse-inspired aesthetic. Rustic Easter decorating is all about simplicity, warmth, and natural materials. Think reclaimed wood, soft linens, woven baskets, and delicate pastel accents. This style celebrates imperfections and handcrafted beauty, making your home feel authentic and inviting. By combining vintage-inspired pieces with spring elements like flowers and greenery, you can create a charming Easter atmosphere that feels both relaxed and thoughtfully designed. Faux bird nests and decorative moss are wonderful elements that add a natural woodland feel to your Easter decor. Place small nests filled with speckled eggs on shelves, trays, or dining tables. Moss can also be used to line baskets or decorate wooden bowls. These earthy textures help create a charming nature-inspired display that perfectly complements rustic spring styling. A rustic Easter table setting can instantly make your spring gathering feel special and inviting. Use linen table runners, ceramic dishes, and wooden chargers to create a farmhouse-inspired look. Add small nests or mini bunny figurines at each place setting for a festive touch. Simple details like tied twine napkins or fresh flowers in mason jars complete the cozy Easter table arrangement. Rustic decor thrives on layered textures. Combine materials like burlap, cotton, wood, ceramic, and wicker to create depth in your Easter displays. A burlap table runner paired with ceramic dishes and woven baskets instantly creates a cozy farmhouse feel. Mixing textures keeps your decor visually interesting while maintaining a relaxed, natural appearance. Decorative eggs are a classic symbol of Easter and work beautifully in rustic decor. Instead of bright plastic eggs, choose speckled, wooden, or softly painted versions. Arrange them in bowls, nests, or baskets around your home. Their natural look blends seamlessly with rustic elements and helps reinforce the soft seasonal theme. Adding greenery is one of the simplest ways to refresh your home for spring. Use eucalyptus garlands, small potted plants, or faux greenery to bring life to your Easter decorations. These natural accents add freshness and softness to rustic decor while complementing wood and neutral textures beautifully. Handmade decorations bring a personal touch to rustic Easter styling. DIY wooden signs, painted eggs, or hand-tied ribbon accents add warmth and authenticity. Handmade pieces also highlight the imperfect beauty that rustic decor celebrates, making your home feel more personal and welcoming during the spring season. Your entryway is the first place guests see, making it a great spot for rustic Easter decor. A wooden bench, a woven basket filled with spring flowers, and a small bunny figure can instantly create a welcoming seasonal display. Adding a rustic sign or wreath nearby ties the entire look together beautifully. The key to charming rustic Easter decor is creating a warm and comfortable atmosphere. Soft lighting, natural textures, and gentle spring colors work together to make your home feel peaceful and inviting. Even small decorative touches can transform everyday spaces into cozy seasonal corners filled with Easter charm. Rustic Easter spring decorations offer a wonderful way to celebrate the season while creating a cozy and welcoming home. By combining natural materials, vintage-inspired pieces, and soft pastel colors, you can design a space that feels both charming and relaxing. Whether you decorate a small corner or your entire home, these rustic touches will help you embrace the beauty and warmth of the Easter season.